Hey guys, Scott Lynch here. I've always been fascinated by the incredible resilience of wheelchair users. Today we're going to dive into something that's both challenging and inspiring, overcoming the fears that wheelchair users face every day. Alright, so inaccessibility is a huge issue. What you're looking at right now is a typical street corner. Seems normal, right? But for a wheelchair user, this could be a major obstacle. See that curb? Without a proper ramp, it's like hitting a wall. Now watch this. With universal design, we transform this corner into something everyone can use. Pretty amazing, huh? Wheelchair users are using cool tech like Access Now and WheelMap to find and share accessible locations. And they're joining forces with disability rights groups to push for better infrastructure. It's like a grassroots movement, but with wheels. Now let's shift gears and focus on independence. You know how we all value our freedom to do things on our own? Well, for wheelchair users, maintaining that independence can be a daily challenge. But here's where it gets cool. Technology is changing the game. Power wheelchairs, smart home devices, even voice-activated gadgets are giving wheelchair users more control over their environment. And it's not just about high-tech stuff. Simple tools like transfer boards can make a huge difference. Oh, and listen to this. Occupational therapists are like the secret weapon here. They're helping wheelchair users find personalized solutions and teaching adaptive skills. Okay, now we're going to explore something that's a bit tougher: social stigma and isolation. You see, wheelchair users often face stereotypes and misconceptions that can lead to feeling left out. But here's the cool part. Visibility and education are powerful tools against this. And you know what's really awesome? Wheelchair users are taking charge of their narratives. They're sharing their stories online, joining communities like Reddit's R's Wheelchairs with over 20,000 members, and even organizing inclusive events. It's like they're building their own social networks, both online and offline. And allies are stepping up too, calling out ableist behavior and pushing for more inclusive spaces. For our last chapter, we're going to look at 3 key areas: safety, health, and equipment. Now, safety might not sound exciting, but it's super important. Wheelchair users are navigating a world that's not always designed with them in mind. But look at this. Cities are starting to prioritize smooth sidewalks, proper curb cuts, and accessible emergency exits. And wheelchair users themselves? They're becoming safety experts, with specialized training and even wearable alert devices that can reduce response times by up to 50% in emergencies. Now, let's talk health and equipment. Regular checkups and proper wheelchair fitting can prevent a lot of problems down the road. And when it comes to the wheelchair itself, reliability is key. High-quality chairs, prompt repair services, and even backup mobility aids are all part of the equation. Did you know that a well-maintained wheelchair can last up to 5 years longer? It's like having a well-oiled machine, but this machine is crucial for daily life. So there you have it, guys. We've rolled through the challenges and solutions for wheelchair users, but our journey doesn't stop here. Remember, advocacy and technology are ongoing tools for change. Whether you use a wheelchair or not, we all have a role in making our world more accessible and inclusive. Let's keep pushing forward, because when we remove barriers for some, we create opportunities for all. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video.